other one, you do that one, all right?
Now look, y'all. I said part 4 was the last part of this, but we got some new supplies. But we did half of it, so half of them trash right here. So this is a bonus part. This one got to be short though, so it's gonna be all right. All right. Now y'all for the poppy. Watch this. Look at me.
Just pop one at a time.
Now let me do the top one first. Oh, don't put it too close.
Get away from the
Now let me see, because one of them did not pop.
Right.
The green ones did not pop. Probably the purple one the same way.
That's good.
See? Oh, that one's a pop. That one's a pop.
All right, get the other one in the back.
Well, the one that's straight up, and the one that pointed up.
Yeah, you do that one first. Watch out, though. You don't know how that's going to pop. Which way it's going to go.
It's gonna slip. Probably gonna be stuck. Oh, never mind. It went straight up. Them the ones that don't pop though, but them the ones that spark.
Straight up.
Yeah.
Yeah, I heard it come down. You got it?
Yeah. Now the ones that go long, them the ones that not gonna pop. All right, let's do the ones that's
All right, just these, and that's it. Wait, we can't light them right here. We got to take them down there where the others at. You got the
all right,
stand
this yeah. Now these are sparkle ones, y'all. So I thought these are the ones that gonna pop up. But the ones that pop up, you already know. Oh, I forgot to put my flash on. My fault. Oh, my flash on. Oh, never mind, y'all. The battery went low, so on 50% it's gonna do it.
So we just have to do it.
Yeah, when the camera on when the camera on, oh lord, when the camera on 50%, the flash cuts off.
Oh, okay, cool.
See that? You see that sparkle? You already know.
Yeah.
Man, we ain't gonna be able to see flash like that no more.
Let's do two more, okay?
Two more? Okay.
And then the rest we put up. All right. Let's do. You want to do the big one, and then which other one?
And then we can do this one. Then we done.
All right. Put them up in there, baby. Cool.
You know, these are stuff that we're gonna save for later soon. Like, so that's what the stuff that we're gonna do.
Oh, that's why I opened it up.
I'm gonna try to do one tomorrow, y'all. So I'm gonna try to do one tomorrow.
Yeah, I'll be over here. So we gotta get your haircut tomorrow, right? You might as well go and get the haircut tomorrow and get it out the way, right?
Yeah.
Man, but
You know I ain't gonna do that, girl. I ain't gonna smoke it. What's wrong with you?
'cause I don't want you to remember last time, man.
Dude,
You
know.
said you ain't gonna do it no more, right?
Yes, dude, I'm not gonna do that, dude. Okay.
Don't do it, please.
But for real.
Please, you wasn't gonna do it no more. You said it.
Yeah. It was a prank. It was a prank. It
Please
wasn't for
don't
real.
do it no more, man.
It was a prank.
When you found it on the ground, you know it's stuff nasty.
Yes. Now that big one gonna be on sparkle. Now one of them, y'all missed out because, shoot, man. Yeah, I'm trying to get y'all to see it. Y'all missed it, man. Y'all missed the ones that pop.
Okay, what other one that? The last
The
one.
last one's right there on the ground. Right here. All right, y'all, we finna be done, so this is bonus part
Just
5.
hold it.
You think I'm gonna smoke it, during cut it out. I'm not gonna smoke it.
I just don't want you to find this stuff on the ground nasty, man.
I
Please
know.
don't do it.
Ugh.
Please, man, don't do it no more.
I did the wrong thing, y'all. No
Yes.
lie.
Because that can get you sick, man. People got diseases and they spit them cigarettes out, you know?
You don't know.
Okay? You won't go in the hospital, okay?
I'm not.
All right, then. Now, I trust you, so you're not going to do
Yes,
pick 'em
yes.
up no more.
You better not pick it up.
No, man.
I better not. It's crazy, y'all. She never did this.
Don't nobody
Don't
else know
lie.
about that, right? You told your friend about it?
It's her. Oh, no. Nobody else don't know about it.
Okay.
Only my other homies do.
Cool. Don't tell nobody about it, because it's with me and you, and then you ain't going to do it no more.
Right.
So that's it. That's it. That's all. Get it.
Man, y'all still worry about the album, man. Still restricted. Hey, Daryl, my album, Daryl, it's still restricted. Me and Lil B album restricted.
Hey.
Yeah, like
You and Bibby?
it's not available yet. Now it was supposed to come out about like 10 or 9 months ago.
What about
It's-
Bibby stuff?
That's what I'm saying. Our album was supposed to come out. Oh, this is short, y'all. See? Short.
Okay,
Just short.
I need you to do me one favor.
What's up?
Go in
What's
the
up?
house and tell Nam to give you one garbage bag.
All right, y'all. I'll see y'all soon. I'll see y'all on the other parts next
Take
year
the bag in with you.
in the box.
Hold on, wait a minute.
Yeah, you do the box.
Wait, come here, man.
I'll see y'all on the next video
Put this in the-
soon. All right,
put this in
y'all.
the box.
All right.
You put this